shoulders increasing disease burden. This is attributed to the changes in people's lifestyles and dietary factors. Other than alleviating hunger and malnutrition, native food crops that were grown traditionally are becoming extinct and underutilized, forming a link to the increase of non-communicable diseases. Our Health and Science reporter Beldin Waliaula has more.
In Ukambani, Makueni County, availability of traditional foods is slowly diminishing. At Kaumoni village in Kaiti sub-county, Dominic Musioka, a father of 9, owns a cassava farm. He says the demand for the crop is high, but farmers are few.
Ni chakula mzuri kwa watu waliokuwa na magonjwa, watu wa kisukari. Hiyo cassava ndio nalisanga watoto nayo.
At Mayani village in Chumani, Anastasia Pius farms various crops, not for improved food security, but for combating micronutrients deficiencies.
Ukichanganyishia mtoto hizo vitu kama hiyo cassava ukiweka kwa mahindi na mbegu za malenge unasiaga na unachanganya na hiyo mtama na hiyo mawele, huyo mtoto anakuwa akiwa healthy.
Ruth Kaloki is the head of nutrition, Makueni County Referral Hospital. She says nutrition is very key in building strong immunity in the body.
Communities now, and especially in our county, one, they rarely grow those crops. And even when they grow, they majorly sell. So they consume less of those crops.
She advises that eating natural foods like green vegetables is important, especially for pregnant mothers, as it helps them boost their hemoglobin levels.
We can associate the minimal consumption of these traditional high-value crops to the increase in cases of non-communicable diseases in our county and also in the country.
Her words were echoed by Makueni Agriculture Executive Committee member Bob Kisiula.
We have a population that has been brainwashed to believe in certain eating habits, in certain foods, without undue consideration on their nutritional value and the impact they have.
In the past 5 years, that is 2016 to 2020, Makueni County has recorded an increase in the number of patients with non-communicable diseases. For example, only around 9,000 patients had diabetes in 2016, but now the county has more than 24,600 patients with diabetes. Modern diets are contributing to ballooning overweight and obesity figures and a rise in non-communicable diseases such as stroke, cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. Experts warn that this situation could cause life expectancies to fall, as traditional foods have been abandoned, especially by the younger generation, in favor of fast foods. Beldin Waliaula, KTN News.
All right, let's take another commercial break here on KTN News Center. I'll be right back with more Making the Headlines.